Are you caught up with a series of gardening chores? Or you're just simply passionate when it comes to nature? Enhance the appearance of your garden with the technology that the market offers. We've put up cool gardening gadgets that you'll find reliable and useful. Welcome to Tech Factuala. You would not want to miss innovative videos from our channel, so join us by hitting subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified every time we have new uploads. Stay with us till the end because we've got awesome gizmos for your garden. From a robotic lawnmower to a biometric padlock, we have a lot in store for you. So if you want to take your gardening to the next level, check out these gadgets. Ryobi One Plus a Cordless Pole Saw. If your garden has some narrow corners with twisted branches, you'll need a garden tool that could reach way up to cut those branches. The Ryobi One Plus a Cordless Pole Saw is the one to use. This pole saw will help you in keeping your tree neat and tidy. An interchangeable 18-volt battery powers it. This cordless pole saw has 6.5 feet reach and can be extended to 9.5 feet with an extension pole. It also has an 8-inch bar and chain for cutting branches up to 6 inches in diameter. It has an angled cutting head and an inline motor for precise pruning to make it easy to remove branches. This function will allow you to cut in tight spaces with utmost ease. This Ryobi pole saw has many features, including an automatic oiler for smooth operation and a window to check oil levels. Since it is cordless, you would have no trouble moving it around your yard and going to areas that standard saws would be challenging to reach. Husqvarna's Automower. Husqvarna's Automower is the perfect lawn mowing helper. If you don't want to cut your lawn by hand and have the cash, you should put that money in one of the best robot mowers. You'd expect excellent quality from Husqvarna's Automower, and it certainly is. The Automower will mow the lawn in almost any environmental situation, making it ideal for those rainy days where you don't feel like mowing. It's much quieter than any other lawnmower on the market, with a sound level as low as 58 decibels, allowing you to use it at any time of day using its custom app. Its randomized mowing routine ensures that it never misses a patch of the yard, and it effortlessly handles steep, challenging terrain, including small obstacles that it may encounter. When the battery dies out, it will return to its charging station. If you're deeply worried about stealing, it is secured by a PIN code, which sounds like an alarm if raised without its code. It cannot be connected to other charging stations and is red-listed in support if confirmed stolen. While you're relaxing and enjoying the view, let the Automower handle the job for you. Aqua House Hydrant V2 Outdoor Faucet System. With the Aqua House Hydrant V2 outdoor faucet system, you can quickly connect garden hoses. This gadget allows you to insert every hose directly into your water outlet anytime you need it. Aqua House Hydrant V2 also provides water flow to begin as soon as it attaches. Similarly, it comes to a halt as soon as you disconnect. The outlet is drained, capped, and winterized until the cable from the outside faucet is unplugged. Similarly, it has free security up to -30 degrees Fahrenheit. It also prohibits unauthorized users from using your water. Simply unplug and store the connector when you're not using it for extra protection. Hozelock Thermal Weeder. This helpful garden tool from Hoseluck uses a thermal shock of up to 600 degrees to treat weeds. It provides a fast and simple way to handle weeds on driveways, sidewalks, and patios without the use of chemicals. Simply plug it in and you're good to go. Point the head at the weed and it'll be gone in seconds. The defensive cone at the weeder's head allows for accurate, concentrated treatment while protecting nearby plants. The weeder heats up quickly and cools down quickly, making it quiet, safe, and simple to use. The upright style eliminates the need to lean over to treat weeds, and it has a convenient push-button start and an ergonomic handle for comfortable use. Gardena Smart Watering System. Your garden would not notice you're gone with the Gardena Smart Watering System. Be with it all the time, even if you're on vacation. This automated irrigation system is an ingenious gardening technology that allows you to control the amount of water supplied to your plants. The control set will trigger watering up to 6 times a day for periods ranging from 1 minute to 10 hours. You can also choose which days you want the water delivered, and it works with Gardena's micro drip and sprinkler systems. Using the free Gardena Smart app for iOS, Android, and web, you will still keep an eye on your garden no matter where you are. The app displays all vital information and adapts all settings for your garden work in just a few taps. Smart Water Control smartly controls your plant's irrigation every day. The tried and true valve technology guarantees a secure link between the Smart Water Control, the water supply, and the connecting devices. This convenient and useful gadget is what your garden needs. Master Lock Biometric Padlock. As much as we want to protect our homes from burglars, it is just as necessary to keep our garden secure. But many of us often neglect to safeguard huts and sheds. If you realize costly things such as machines, lawnmowers, and bikes that are kept there, they can be a target for criminals. So security is, therefore, an essential. Master Lock is a security product manufacturer, and anyone would appreciate the technology aspect that they have introduced to a variety of their products, which brings out simplicity and convenience. The Master Lock is the biometric padlock that saves you the hassle of thinking about where you left the keys. 10 fingerprints are available to store so that the whole family has access, plus a keypad for combined unlocking if a problem occurs. It is completely weatherproof and has a super secure, sawing and cutting resistant body. The battery can last 1 year long, and you can replace it with just a standard CR2 battery if necessary. You'll appreciate this device for its security and convenience. It's also quite bulky, so there's no way you'll misplace it. DIGGA Portable Gardening Assistant. As a gardener, you may need to dig dirt to some extent, and not just a smidge, but a lot. Digging is an essential aspect of garden landscaping and soil improvement. One of the best parts about digging is it is a great exercise. An hour of digging will burn up to 600 calories while still working up a sweat. The biggest downside is that turning and bending with uneven loads can be painful on the back because not every gardener enjoys digging. There is, though, a fantastic garden tool that makes digging way easier. This power digger attachment accelerates the mechanical force that you put on a spade or fork. As a result, clods of dirt can be lifted out with no effort. This simple but brilliant gardening tool is ideal for people who suffer from lower back pain. Did you find what you're looking for? If it did, why not give us a like and share our video so we can also help others? If we've missed out on a product that you love, share it with us down below in the comments. We love to hear from you. That's all for today's video. See you in the next one.